The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control, multi-zone. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.